my journey has been 2.5 years in the making, and I've been so humbled by the treatment that I receive from you lovely people, led by my the quintessential doctor, Dr Ashwin Porwal. And if I hadn't stumbled across him when I was told that I would have to have a seat for the rest of my life, and I happened to literally stumble across you on YouTube, and I saw the procedure and I looked at it, I thought it was, what a fantastic innovation it was. And as a result of that, I'm back here because I did suffer a recurrence, but that was just a fact. And Dr Ashwin treated me, I'll tell them, everybody, free of charge. And you know, this time around, and I can honestly say that he held my hand for 2 years, communicated with my partner by Zoom. I think there's more photos of my butt cheek and the procedures that she was using over those 2 years, and would intimately give me a phone call just to see how I was going, how my well-being was. And true to his word, he said, as soon as you can travel, I will treat you and I will cure you. And here I am today. And for the lovely doctors who attended to me, smile at me, say hello, I thank you humbly, especially Dr Manisha, my 3-week friend for 3 months. Dr Pooja, my go-to doctor for everything. Dr Farhan, Dr Lena, all of you. I just say, God bless you all. Thank you, and this is a start. Julie's in the next wave of internationals coming here, along with Harvey, and we're proposing to assist with some sort of foundation, get Healing Hands herbs out there, because we're all great believers in the product. And I just an aside, I came here with rheumatoid arthritis 2.5 years ago. Dr Ashwin, I was on methotrexate, prednisolone, and Dr Ashwin said to me, if you take the Termicin Plus for 6 weeks, we won't have rheumatoid arthritis. 2.5 years on, I still use Termicin Plus. I have not had any medication for rheumatoid arthritis. So, if he's not the Nobel Peace Prize, I don't know who he is. And Julie, Harvey, Zubair, Fazana, Dean, and a friend Hamza, Christina, all thank you all from the bottom of their hearts, and we aim to get the word out there, and we'll do the best we can to give you more internationals to have more fun with. And tell more 3-week stories, something to Manisha. Something else. And the only time I actually got to believe it, I said to Dr Ashwin a few weeks back, Dr Ashwin, can I ask you a personal question? And he said, yes. I said, how long do you think before I leave? And he said, 3 weeks. She just smiled. So true. So God bless you all. Thank you so much. And yeah.
It's been actually fun treating you, and to be very honest, a lot of credit goes to Joe,
yes,
his wife, because I was actually in virtual touch. She was actually virtually performing the surgeries for the last 2 years. Because of COVID, he couldn't come to us. Almost 2 years. There was 2 years gap. And if she would not have done the way she actually treated him, he might have done it with a bigger problem, emergency, because his abscess was just not stopping. And she did a great stuff, and she just treated him the way we treat our patients here. We call it as evaluation under anesthesia, and she really did a good job. Yeah. So I'm thankful to her.
Hello, Dr Ashwin. It's Jo. Yeah, looking forward to having Johnny home. I can't thank you. I just could not thank you enough from the bottom of my heart for looking after him and healing him. He's been so thankful for all your support, all your generosity, for your wonderful staff. And I hear it's cake day soon. So enjoy your chocolate cake or your mango cake. Johnny says that you love those type of cakes. Dr Ashwin, I hope I can meet you in person But Johnny and I are going to do everything in our power over the next couple of months to help you ramp business for Healing Hands, because we're your number one fan.
Jubilations and jubilations. I want the world to know I'm happy as